Hey guys, it's Naomi. Thank you so much for tuning into another video. Today I will be doing a transition from a daytime look to a nighttime look. I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this look by using my BH Cosmetics and It's My Ray Ray palette. I have applied my foundation, concealer, and translucent powder. Now I'm going in with the shade Mousse, which is a light brown color, and I am blending it back and forth onto my crease to add some definition. Now I will be adding in a smoky dark brown color into my outer corner and blending that in. The shade is called Midnight. And then I'll go in with the color Control Freak, which is a light brown as well, and putting that all over the lid. I'll also be going back into the shade Mousse and applying that on my lower lid. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Fairy Tale, which is a gold color, and apply that on my top lid right on top of where I applied Control Freak. Now I'm going back in with my blending brush just to blend everything together so that there's no harsh lines. I'm going in with my favorite mascara by Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. And then I'm going to spray some Studio Fix Plus by MAC. I like to use it to hydrate my skin to dust off any remaining translucent powder. Of course, this is my favorite part. I'll be going in with the highlighters Rayediant and French Toast on my cheeks and then blend it in with the e.l.f. sponge so that I can avoid having any harsh lines. I really like this sponge and it's less than $5. Here it is, the finished look. Very simple with a nude lip. You can add lashes if you like, but here we are. We're gonna get into that nighttime glam. I'm adding the shade Connie all over the lid. Yes, I'm putting that right on top of the gold that we had there. Connie, as you can see, is a deep plum color. Adding that all over the lids to make this look a little smoky. In the outer corners, I'm going back in with the shade Midnight to add some dimension to the outer corners and add some smokiness to this color. The key to any smoky eye is to blend every color into the crease so there's no harsh lines. Every time I add a deep color, I use my blending brush to blend. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Black Beauty, which is the black shade in this palette, and placing that where I place Midnight, and that's going to definitely add some extra smokiness to this look. In the center of my lid, I'm going in with the shade Passion, which is a metallic purple color. This is one of my favorite colors in the palette. It's super pretty, and it just adds a nice pop of color to this metallic smoky eye. What I also love to do is add the colors that I had on the top lid on the bottom lid. So you're gonna see me add the shades Connie and also the shade Passion onto my lower lid, just so everything is blended and the bottom lids match the top lids. Now I'm going in to finish off the eye by putting the shade Moonlight in my tear duct. I'm gonna bronze the skin with the shade Brownie Bite from the palette, which is a very deep, warm color for women of color to contour and bronze the skin. I love this shade. And then the highlighter that I'm going to use is not included in the palette. It is a collab with Artist Couture and Jackie Aina in the shade La Peach, putting that on my cheekbones, spraying my skin with MAC Studio Fix Plus, and blending everything out with my brush and my sponge until I'm completely pleased with how the look turned out. Going back in, adding more, and blending, blending, blending. And here it is, guys. This is how I transitioned my daytime look to a nighttime look by just using one palette. On my lips, I'm using the shade Whiskey Brown from Atomic Makeup. I'll leave my code down below so you can get some money off. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video.